Packed up our camp and getting ready to head out. It's pretty windy overnight. Super rain. So yeah, we'll have another good day. So before this trip, I got like $30 poles from Walmart because I didn't want them to get taken at the security gate, and they've been just breaking all the time. And I stuck it in the mud and tried to pull it out. Then when I pulled it out, I pulled a lot of dirt with me and mud. So we just finished our resupply in the town of Leknes. I was pretty quick. We got some pizza and then we went and got a little bit more food to make it to the next place. And then, yeah, made it to the bus like just on time, right as it was pulling up. And that, you know, helped us prevent another hitchhike because this section actually has a tunnel that's illegal for pedestrians to go through. So you had to hitchhike or take the bus. But now that that's over, I think we're actually done with all of the sections you have to hitchhike for, which is pretty convenient because hitchhiking can be kind of hit or miss. So yeah, we're back on trail now, and we've been pushing the pace a bit since we started because we got a late start due to late baggage, but we're kind of catching up to our original itinerary. So yeah, weather's doing a little bit better and feeling good. One other thing I forgot to mention in my little check-in is Anderson got new shoes. He had been having quite a few shoe problems and would often switch to his Tevas after like 10 miles each day. So hopefully these ones treat him a little better.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Dine skår regner på meg. Et hjerte slår, så åpner det seg. Og jeg så hvem du var. Og jeg var glad. Det ned, og jeg fikk lov å ta det imot, og dine blå slår ned og tar krot, og du skjær deg fast, og jeg har tatt din lykke
Ah.
go this way?
I don't know.
Which way do we go?
I don't know, dude.
Hey, buddy.
Got a steep little section right before bed.
Uh-huh. Are they necessary?
I don't know if the chains are necessary.
Well, what's the difference?
So it's the end of day 3, and we're about to head to bed. It's about 1:30 in the morning, and we just finished cooking dinner. We got our tent right here. We got the sea over there, which we went and cleaned off in. And then right here we got this huge highball boulder. And then we made dinner over here by this little overhanging rock. And if I had my flash on, you could see we got like a little drying station right there because it's been pretty drizzly today. And then in the back, can't super see it, but it was more clear when we came in. There's a big mountain up there, but you'll just have to trust me on that. So, a little bit of a rainy day today, but altogether, super fun, and we had a great time and had some really cool scenery. So, looking forward to another one tomorrow. All right, bye.